Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today we are in Target because it's almost that time to start shopping for Christmas. And of course, we're gonna start off in the dollar spot or bullseye playground, whichever one you'd like to call it. And we're checking out what Christmas items they have up front here. They definitely have some great things, so make sure you're paying close attention to what you see because there are so many great finds. And remember, this section is always $1, $3, or $5. Then we're also going to take a look at some things like the blankets and candles and doormats, all of the things that you will need to decorate your home for the holidays or give out little gifts for the holidays. You're going to find some really cool stuff right here in Target. So of course we're gonna put on some music, we're gonna vibe out, I'm gonna pop in between and tell you about things, and we're just gonna have a good time and see what's in Target. They usually have these trees every year, and every year I think they're such a great deal because there are many trees, but they come with little ornaments on them already, and for only $5. And I love that this section has a lot of ornaments to choose from, just like the ones you saw previously with the little picture frame on it. And these right here, those are really nice as well. Okay, so we're moving more into items for your home like throw blankets and other pillows. And you guys, these, oh my gosh, they are so eye-catching. Like, they caught my eye the second I turned the corner and walked back there. And how cute is that little gingerbread man if you're having like a gingerbread theme, or even if you're not, it's always cute to just have a pillow that's like something that's completely different, or just a pop of color for the holidays. So, you know, everything doesn't have to be too matchy, but if you want it to be and you're having a gingerbread theme, that's there for you too. And of course, I like that Target has stuff for the bathrooms as well, just kind of in one area, making it easy for you. The hand soap dispensers, the towels, shower curtains, all of the things that you might need to, you know, turn your bathroom into a little holiday bathroom. And when it comes to holiday candles and holiday scents, you guys, there are so many options in Target. Like, this is just a quick look at them. I could probably do a whole video by itself just on the holiday candles that they have. And in fact, I might do that, like just see all of the holiday candles, smell them all, and rank them for you guys to make it easier for you to shop for them. But there are definitely a lot to choose from. And just like I said, here's even more holiday candles. And you guys, this really is not it. There are, I know at least one full aisle of candles and stuff in Target, and they have some holiday candles mixed in there. And then on a few of the end caps like this throughout the store, there were candles on those as well. So like I said, lots of holiday candles and stuff to choose from. And some of them are so cute. Like, look at that. It looks like a little cupcake. We have a gingerbread house. Oh, I love a candle that looks like something. All right, you guys, we reached the end of today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a video, and share this video with someone that you know that loves to shop just as much as we do. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.